Are you looking for a faster and safer way to assemble your distribution panel? Let me introduce you to Sangdo Electric's QuickBar. Installing QuickBar is easy. Simply arrange the circuit breakers according to the specifications, select the corresponding QuickBar blocks, and connect the blocks together. QuickBar implements a symmetric array of 4-pole circuit breakers, providing various left-right combination forms. In addition, by using the converter, you can replace the main circuit breaker with a higher capacity breaker. With QuickBar, making changes or upgrades is no problem at all. Now, let's talk about the structure of the QuickBar. QuickBar has obtained a patent for its double joint structure. Plug-in sleeve terminals and steel nut couplings improve torque strength, terminal heat resistance, and connection stability. Not only that, the branch busbar adopts the Rivet joint method to prevent bolt loosening, which increases the reliability of heat resistance. And here's the best part. QuickBar reduces panel assembly time by more than 70% compared to conventional methods. Imagine how much time you can save. The QuickBar has been validated by an accredited authority and has proven its reliability and excellent technical performance. With over 40 years of expertise in power systems, Sangdo Electric is expanding its business beyond Korea to the world. Through strict quality assurance, we produce top-tier products and break the boundaries of innovation with creative thinking, advancing toward a better future. Better lives, brighter world. Sangdo Electric.